KDP publishers are gonna hate me for this video. Basically, your next Amazon published book is 8 minutes away. You type one prompt and Book Factory writes it, illustrates it, designs the cover, fills the KDP form, and even publishes it for you. It fills the entire Amazon KDP form, including uploading the book that it just generated and just setting all the settings for you so that it gets accepted before your coffee even gets cold. Now, what you're not paying for anymore is a ghostwriter to write this story, which is $300. An illustrator for the entire book interior is about $200. A converting cover image, you know, the ones you pay a lot for, is $100. 1 hour filling the KDP form yourself, because that's how long it takes to fill that KDP form when you're trying to publish your book. This app will actually do it for you automatically in one click. And lastly, the how to publish KDP course that people charge $1,000. I've actually seen someone charge $8,000 for the course to learn on how to publish on Amazon KDP, because it is that hard, by the way. I actually studied these courses because I used to publish manually. I used to create the images on using AI, but it would take me forever to take care of all the details and publish. It used to take me forever. But now with this software, I literally use it. I just type a prompt and it literally it just creates the book, creates the cover image, creates the PDF file, downloads it for you. It creates the cover image separately and it fills the entire form. Now let's see what else you get. So these are all the things you can do with it. Picture books, coloring books, spot the difference books, recipe books. It has index page with page numbers, guys. AI page numbers. Recipe books. It has a 5-star converting cover image prompt inside it, so it will create a book that actually sells. It can edit images after they're created. It has 2 different AI models. It's had 1-click publish to Amazon, and I told you this already, it does all of this for you. You know how Amazon always doesn't accept your books because of bleed and nonsense. They make you want to just quit, to be honest with you. It has a rich HTML book description. You know how you have to describe the book and you can type rich HTML? It basically does that for you as well, and all of this just for $99. I would pay $1,000 for this a month, by the way, because this is going to take care of your entire KDP workflow, whether you're doing coloring books, picture books, whatever you're doing. In fact, it can do more than this. It can do much more than this. This is all just an example use cases, but it works. I've tested it. It works perfectly with these. And you can see it in action. If you go to this page, just ask for a Book Factory in the comments and I'll send you the link. And here are some examples of what it's done. Let me just find some images. You can see it does children's books perfectly. You can see coloring books and so much more. So this is how it looks when you're inside. You just type your author name, your story idea. You can add even an image of a main character. If you have a special character, you can build on that. And basically you can choose how many pages and basically do your thing. Absolutely fantastic. A must-have for anyone who's planning on making a book. Absolutely insane. If you want more info, just type Book Factory in the comments and I'll